Why should we hire you as a medical representative? Hi, ako nga pala si Ferds at isa akong medrep. This is a part 2 continuation noong previous vlog ko about how to become a medrep. This is for you kung naghahanap ka ng trabaho, you're a fresh grad, career shifter, and if you want to try the medical sales. So saan nga ba pwede mag-apply as a medical representative aside sa mga websites, job postings, online, or LinkedIn? Ito, i-share ko sa inyo, may mga Facebook groups ng mga medreps na kung saan maraming hiring. Depende na lang kung anong territory or area ang available. Okay lang kahit wala kang experience. May mga pharmaceutical companies na nag-a-accept sila nang wala pang experience. Kaya good luck. Once na-invite ka for an interview, ano mga dapat paghandaan? Siyempre, lalo na kung bago ka. So Ferds, tell me something about yourself. Kwento mo lang kung anong ginagawa mo, lalo na kung wala ka pang experience. Huwag kang mahiya, gusto lang nila makita kung gaano ka confident magsalita. Why should we hire you? I am a hardworking and a passionate person. Will mong specific. You should hire me because I understand that this job role is about relationship building and consistent follow-ups with the doctors. I am prepared to handle rejection, to learn fast, and focus on hitting targets. Wow. Pakita mo na naiintindihan mo yung trabaho. Sana nakatulong ako. Kaya mga ka-reps, G ka ba? Follow for more.